Now that you are here, you'll learn something new. Hit the subscribe button so that every time I'm on YouTube, you're notified. Hi there, my name is Manmeet and welcome back to my channel. All those people who are here for the first time, I make two kinds of videos. One about entrepreneurship and social media to help you grow your business. And second, this kind vlogs where I document my journey with you. And today while I was out, I decided to shoot a typical vlog so it looks like one. So what are we talking about today? We are talking about opportunities that knock your door and how you have to make sure that you grab each opportunity. So the last week that has gone by, which is this week that is about to end. See, I don't even know what to speak because I'm so happy and so excited. The last week has been a blast and I did not know it was coming my way. It was just opportunities that I grabbed and the week has been so beautiful. I don't even know where to start and where to end. To begin with, until last week, I didn't know I was about to take a workshop for about 1,000+ students. Which was in collaboration with GoDaddy Academy. Yes, GoDaddy Academy. And I'm going to speak live to the Vice President of GoDaddy.
Make it a business day, design the website, communicate with the customers, collaborate with the customers.
When I'm into website development business, this is a big Kickstarter for me. So what happened was one of my colleagues and the one I have been enrolled in the same course with, her name is Bhagyashree. A big shout out to you and thank you for letting this opportunity come my way. She contacted me if I am available to take the training session, and I, like a sucker for opportunities, did not think much and I gave in. And I said yes. With a payout, of course, it was a affordable payout, but what I got beyond the payout was mentoring in a 3-day live workshop for about 1,800 students till the 3rd day, with speaking to the Vice President of GoDaddy and also earning an income out of those 3 days. And with this, I was also interviewed by the institute that I enrolled online into in October 2020. It's called Digital Scholar. And during the interview, I was told that I was the best student of the batch. Out of 108 students, I was the best student, and it was recorded on camera. That video will be published on their channel very soon, and as soon as it is published, I will link it in the description below. And following that, now this Digital Scholar is an institute by Saurav Jain, India's biggest digital marketer and influence. The same day I posted a story telling about my experience of the first day where I was training about 900+ students and how I was associated with the GoDaddy Academy. Guess what? Saurav Jain started following me and reshared my story saying, "Proud of you, keep flying high." That was a moment I couldn't believe it was happening. Number one, the biggest marketer had appreciated me. Also, my mentor, my teacher had appreciated me. Nothing more a student could ask for. So the week that has gone has been par imagination and I have been really happy. I have been planning to express my happiness by sharing some gifts and some kind of rewards with my audience. I will be doing it on Instagram. So if you're not following me, go follow me on Instagram, Manmeet_solopreneur. I will link it in the description. So why I wanted to document this vlog is because I wanted to share with everybody that opportunities always knock once. Do not wait for the right or the perfect moment that ये हो जाएगा, then I will start doing this. ये वाली चीज मुझे मिल जाएगी, ये वाला skill मुझे आ जाएगा, तब I'll start doing this. When I started creating WordPress websites, I did not know the kind of things I know today. I didn't know how to use a page builder like Elementor, and I did not know how will I put up a good show. But today I have worked for clients across the globe, and I have earned income for myself and some credibility. That is why I was selected as a trainer for that workshop. So what I'm trying to tell here is, number one, grab opportunities. Don't wait for the perfect moment. And number two, do not wait to be perfect. Wherever you are, that is the perfect of right now. As you start growing, as you start exploring, you will become the perfect of tomorrow. But for now, you are perfect. So my teachings from today's vlog is grab every single opportunity that you get, and number two, do not wait to be perfect. Whichever moment you are in, whatever you have right now is the perfect. If you like my content, if you like me documenting my journey, and you would like to learn more from me, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends if you like the content. And now I will get going to home because I cannot hold my happiness. See you in the next video. See ya.